Completing the square, a method in which you use to solve quadratic equations. The steps in completing the square. You are first given an equation. It is going to be in either of the two forms. The first form could be ax squared plus or minus bx plus or minus c equals 0. Or the second form could be ax squared plus or minus bx equals positive or negative c. You first want to set the equation equal to 0 as shown in the first equation. Your second step is divide the b term by 2. Then you square the answer from step 2, which is b divided by 2, and then the square b divided by 2 squared is added to both sides. The keys to success when completing the square. Always remember that b divided by 2 squared is equal to the square. When you take the square root of any number, always remember to include the positive and negative sign after the equal sign. Our first equation is x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. I am now going to demonstrate to you how to complete the square of this equation. Because the equation is already set to 0, you do not have to manipulate any numbers. Now you're going to rewrite the equation x squared plus 6x squared equals 7, and remember the square, because the square is equal to b divided by 2 squared. Therefore, b divided by 2 squared equals the box, which in this case equals 6 divided by 2, which equals to 3. 3 squared equals 9. So you add 9 to both sides. So you're going to rewrite your perfect square, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9, as x plus 3 squared, and it's going to equal 7 plus 9, which equals to 16. Now, you physically took the square root of both numbers, so you have to remember to include your positive and negative sign. Therefore, x plus 3 equals positive or negative square root of 16. Now we know the square root of 16 equals 4. So x plus 3 equals positive or negative 4. Then you're going to subtract 3 from both sides, so you get x by itself. So x equals negative 3 plus or minus 4. And you have to remember to separate your answer, because you do have two answers in this case. So x is going to equal negative 3 plus 4, and x is going to equal negative 3 minus 4. Therefore, your answer is going to be x equals 1 and x equals negative 7.